we feel that a, a compromise could be found with the examiner by maybe reducing the broadness of the claims. But I mean, we definitely think that this is an invention which is innovative, and we will work very hard to get it granted.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Francesco Gardin, the CEO of Quantum Blockchain Technologies. Francesco, very good to speak with you this morning. Can you tell us what's happening with the US patent ASIC Ultraboost applications?
Good morning, Stephen. Thank you for having me with you again. Yes, of course. We just wanted to keep our shareholder updated on the various steps of the process. We try to get a fast response from the examiner, which is why our US patent attorney organized this call towards the second half of April. We are now working to give a solid and robust responses, and especially our inventor, whose work is mentioned in the patent, is trying to explain why his new ideas are different from what he presented in his master thesis back in 2013 at UCL. It's not nice in terms of the energy that this absorbs, but it's part of the process. We started the process, and we want to get to the end of this process. So, I mean, we feel that a compromise could be found with the examiner by maybe reducing the broadness of the claims. But I mean, we definitely think that this is an invention which is innovative, and we will work very hard to get it granted.
Meanwhile, could you give us also an update on the AI software Oracle implementation, which is going on at the QBT lab at Milan University, Francesco?
Yeah, sure. So in the initial phase, we are getting control of the machine. It is a totally new machine, and I must say that the ASIC manufacturer has been extremely helpful. They share with us tons of documents of software, and so that part is going well. The latest is that, as we announced on the 6th of March, together with the mining rig, an MDK, which is a mining development kit, was about to be shipped, is now being shipped to Oregon. We're testing it, and hopefully will be in Milan just after Easter. This is particularly important because the Oracle, at this point, in parallel of being developed on the machine, implemented in the machine, can be implemented on a server, which is far easier because of the richest environment that you have in a server, and therefore this may speed up the process. But I mean, they promised to deliver a mining rig and the MDK. They've done it. Actually, they sent us two. One we'll keep in Oregon for our experts there to double check and have a backup system, also backup control, and so everything is going according to plans.
Meanwhile, your bondholders meeting is scheduled for the 15th of April, Francesco. How are preparations going?
Yeah, okay. The bond was one of the baggages that we had to take on board when in 2015 we decided to avoid this company to go bankrupt, because that was really the risk at the time. And one of the conditions I set to join the board was that the bondholder should support us until such time when we could either repay the bond or convert it. So at the time when we joined the bond, we had a conversion price of 15p, which was astronomical and was based on the value of the company ages ago. Now, each time we ask for an extension, of course, the bondholder wants something in return, and the negotiation has been on the conversion price. Now the conversion price has been reduced. We should keep in mind that we had another conversion of bonds of nearly 2 million a few years ago. So we have reduced it, the exposure to this bond, and we hope that slowly we will be able to convert into equity, so reduce this exposure for the company. It's a long process, but our key bondholder and shareholder has been totally supportive over the years, and we are really grateful to him.
Well, I hope you'll keep us updated on progress with that, Francesco. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you.
Francesco Gardin, the CEO of Quantum Blockchain Technologies.